Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Taxjar account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Taxjar account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. Search box at the top, type in taxjar.com and make a search. The official page of Taxjar's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and tap on Login. It will take you to the login page of Taxjar's account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Taxjar's account and tap on Login to Taxjar option. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Taxjar's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.